Adobe's Project Music GenAI, create, control, innovate. Adobe's latest breakthrough, Project Music GenAI Control, is a game-changer in the world of music creation. This cutting-edge generative AI prototype allows anyone, regardless of their musical background, to effortlessly craft captivating tunes. By simply inputting text prompts like inspiring film or intense hip-hop, users can summon tailor-made musical compositions. But it doesn't stop there. This innovation isn't just about automation. It's about putting the power of creativity in your hands. Pixel-level control akin to Photoshop's magic, you can fine-tune every note and beat to perfection. With the ability to tweak tempo, structure, and intensity based on a chosen melody, the possibilities are endless. Developed in collaboration with top-notch academic institutions, Project Music GenAI Control is a tantalizing glimpse into the future of audio synthesis, promising boundless sonic exploration for all. Follow this space for more updates and innovations in the world of AI. Visit us, www.agoworks.com.